We're Chuck and Lori. Pack your bag and join us as we explore Iceland. Today we're taking you Icelandic grocery shopping. This is not an American-sized cart, is it?
No, I think they have a bigger one though.
They look like ping pong balls. So grab a shopping cart and join us.
Sluck living.
Iceland! We're gonna go Icelandic grocery shopping right now. I don't know if you've ever been in a grocery store in Iceland. We haven't.
And we're heading to our VRBO, so we have to pick up a few items.
Yeah, so let's go in here and see what this is like. There she goes, she's going in. This is not an American-sized cart, is it?
No, I think they have a bigger one though. Would you like a bigger one?
This is fine. This is the kitty cart.
Fine.
So just get her done. Start your shopping. It's like smoothie stuff. Want two of them?
Look at, they have bottles too. Look at.
We're gonna get two smoothies right now. I think we need bananas.
So you pick out your bananas.
Some bananas.
Like
Well, you seem to have found the freezer section.
Well, I give you some idea because like this is ridiculous.
Oh, this is where all the meat is. This isn't exactly Wegmans, you know.
Well, no, but we can get something to cook. How about rotisserie chicken?
Ooh, rotisserie chicken. Or he's backing up or something.
Look, I think it's like pre-marinated meat for you.
I'm not sure. It seems like pizza is pretty much a staple everywhere in the world. Check this out. Pizza. All kinds of unhealthy stuff.
I'm just getting a bag of super fries.
Super fries. Or he's pressing on. We're trying to figure out what eggs to get because we don't know. And check this out. We don't know what that says. Do you know what that says? 12 I don't know what that means.
I don't know. Plus, I don't think you look at them like we do. Like in Wegmans, I was
Well, these green ones come in a 6-pack. They look like ping pong balls. What's up with that? See? They literally look like ping pong balls. Open them up.
Oh no. These eggs are brown.
He said the brown eggs in Scotland.
A joke from Scotland.
Yeah, nobody will understand that joke, but it's still funny. So we're gonna get these eggs right here, because these look normal. Let's get some eggs. All right, get eggs.
So let's decide what's gonna go with our eggs.
All right, let's go with the eggs. Bacon is always a good choice. So Lori's looking for bacon. We're looking for bacon. We don't see any yet.
I'm probably like totally like don't even know where it is.
So where is bacon?
Maybe over there. I see some.
That looks promising. Go over there. Gonna go over and find bacon. Bacon.
They have a lot of, like, ribs.
You found sausage, spare ribs.
Ooh, baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs.
So why am I not finding? Is that
Bacon.
Bacon?
Right there. Bacon. This right here? This works? How about that, Lori?
Eggs.
You get some bacon.
So I have a question. I'm thinking. So scrambled eggs. Oh, for scrambled. Are you having scrambled eggs?
We need milk.
You need milk.
This cart really cracks me up. It's
This
so
cart
small.
feels too. I should have got a bigger one.
Yeah. I can make sure it's milk.
You can?
Yeah, because it says milk.
It's got pictures of bananas on it though.
Well, it's not bananas. I mean, yeah, they show pictures of bananas on it, but it's milk. I'm sure of it. That's milk right there. We're gonna get some milk. If it's not milk, it'll be a surprise. Ow, that's what I think. I have milk for you.
Where did her go? You sure?
I think so.
Why does it say one and a half?
Looks
But why does it say 1.5 to 2 years old?
Oh no.
I think it's some kind of.
Well, that's formula. Put that back.
But
Top shelf.
wait. You're killing me here.
I'm killing me here. I'm so confused.
Yeah, see, that wasn't quite the thing there. Wait till I tell Keith
Almost
that
got
one.
the wrong milk.
Wait till I tell Keith what you did
You
too.
don't have to. It'll probably be on YouTube. So like, what's this down here?
So wait, at least that one had a cow on it. I'm just so confused.
Oh, that's promising with a cow on there. You're just screaming your name.
I know, but I don't even know.
Is that all we need? Is that much?
I'm not even sure if that's really milk though.
It has to be milk.
Because you try to give me a baby formula.
Well, I'm sorry. Okay, get this. It's this one right here.
I don't know. You're really worrying me now. I'm
Maybe.
not sure.
I think this is milk. Vitamin D. Looks like milk. We're gonna get this.
I don't know for sure.
Give it a whirl.
I think we're better off filling it with one of the jugs, actually.
So apparently, there's this trap door here. You open it up.
Yes.
There's a spout up there.
But what's this mean?
That's how you dispense. And then you use these glasses down here to put milk in. Right here. You grab one of these glasses, put it in here,
But how do you know which one to
and
push?
then I have no idea. But that seems like
And then if you-
fresh milk, sorta, kinda. Okay, you look confused.
I'm confused.
Yeah.
I found coffee.
Do you think that's actually coffee? It looks like it might be. Look at that.
You don't think it
The
is?
labeling looks like that has potential. Yeah, give it a whirl.
Easy for you to say.
Just do it.
But I need my caffeine.
I know. So put that in the cart and let's push on.
Okay. I'm hoping it does. But I'm not sure.
Push the cart.
So do
Your
you...
great big Icelandic shopping cart. That looks like 1/3 of an American cart.
And this is probably already $300.
It probably is.
I don't know.
Well, I know what that word means.
Florida.
I'm thinking
Orange juice.
that's Florida orange juice,
Okay.
which is kind of funny. So
So this says 100% something.
that looks like a blend of something else. I would say
It doesn't though. That's not.
no.
I don't know. You think
It's like vitamin enriched or something. That looks more legit down there. See, that color looks more legit.
this one?
Yeah. Yeah, get one of those.
I don't know though. I can't tell.
That looks like orange juice. Just go for it.
Okay.
I think you found cheese.
Which
So get the
one?
cheddar.
You're familiar with that one?
That looks like a safe bet. Yeah. Big old
Okay.
block of cheese.
So block of cheddar.
Yeah. All right, now you gotta find some crackers.
Okay.
Who knows how they list them in here, but
So
probably something.
So you only
weird.
want one for now?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot of cheese, woman.
Actually, not the way I've seen you eat your cheese. That could be one night.
Maybe.
Any need for soda?
Hard to say.
Well, you said soda at one point. So
Maybe.
let's just go find crackers.
Here.
You got this. Session.
They're peanuts. We found peanuts.
You want nuts now?
I don't know. I'm feeling nuts in here. So many funky names. This little smiley faces. Viking beer.
Cute.
And they're cute little cans.
Yeah.
These are less fattening.
Yeah.
This must be the bigger cans down here.
I think that one just happens to have smaller cans. This is say for this I can't even see what it is. It's like I don't even know where the APV is.
Oh, they probably don't publish ABV here. We're not getting any beer right now.
Okay.
I don't think we need it.
So, crackers, right?
Yeah, crackers.
I found Doritos. Would you like some
Please.
Doritos?
Icelandic Doritos are probably the same as American Doritos.
Ooh, sour cream flavor.
Thinking they're all the same. They like their Doritos here. There's a lot of them.
So Chuck, did you need a nail kit?
Yeah. You found one. It's over there.
I'm hoping to find everything in the next few minutes. I don't know. Maybe they just don't have them. I thought they said.
Those look promising.
I thought they said Fisher Price.
They say first price, or Fisher Price.
Fisher Price.
All right, toss them in. Let's go. I think that's gonna work.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
That'll
sure?
work. Yes.
Okay.
Good enough.
Okay.
We should roll out.
Do you want your other thing or no?
No, let's roll out.
Okay.
Roll that big ass cart out of here. I guess we're gonna have to do self checkout, aren't we? Yeah, we'll do self
I
checkout
guess we
over here.
can.
Make it happen. This'll work. Okay. So
So just
start loading up.
do you have to hit something or no? Do you hit that? I don't even know. Trumpets. Here, what did it say? Something happened. I don't know.
I mean something happened. What's that mean?
I don't know.
What's that mean?
I have no idea. Maybe there's a discount.
The wham?
It's so
What just
thick.
happened?
I don't know. I think you're fine. Chuck, don't just leave it.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what Sektavuna means. I'm sorry, I don't know what that means.
Chuck,
I have to figure it out. So,
I have to go find out. I don't know the.
I don't know what's that.
Okay, I have that then.
I mean, that's what it is. Look it up. Banana. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That work? 8 bananas.
I don't
You
know.
get arrested.
God help us.
Okay, that went.
What's this selective aim thing? Okay.
So it's a shorty.
It's good.
Laura's gonna bag up our stuff.
I'll put the eggs on the bottom. So here they are from.
Let's make it work. This is challenging right here.
What's going on with that?
I don't know what's going on here. Did I get billed or not?
I think it's done. It seems like it's back where it was, so I don't know.
Well, where's our receipt?
I don't know. You have to ask somebody. I have no idea, Chuck.
I got your
You're not
Sucklavania.
gonna say what that means.
Yeah.
Sucklavania.
We somehow survived with groceries and didn't get arrested, so we're good. Did all right. All right.
Sucklavania.
Okay, that's enough.
So
We're done.
should I leave my book bag back there?
Yeah. All right. Somehow we survived.
Actually,
We're gonna go to the house.
I want to make a comment on that. I think grocery shopping, which I know we didn't film, and we will in the future if we go, it was a little more difficult here than Scotland.
Yeah, well, everything's in Icelandic. That makes it pretty challenging, and there's no translator. That was tricky. We lived. We didn't get arrested. Yay! We have food.
Sucks. Was it sucks?
Sektavania. Whatever that was. I think it's take your stuff and be gone.
I feel like it was like flipping us off.
Take your stuff and be gone in Icelandic.
I don't know.
Peace out. Iceland!